Have you ever signed up for a service only to realize you don't need it anymore? Or perhaps you've forgotten your login details and want to completely sever ties. Today, we're tackling a common dilemma: how to delete your Credit Karma account without ever logging in. Credit Karma is a popular platform that provides free credit scores and financial tools. While it can be a valuable resource, there are times when you might want to move on. Maybe you've found a better service, or you're simply ready to declutter your digital life. The standard procedure for deleting a Credit Karma account involves logging in and following a series of steps. However, what if you don't have access to your account? Is it still possible to remove it? Deleting an account without logging in can be tricky. Credit Karma, like many online services, prioritizes user security and may require verification steps. This can make it challenging to remove your account if you've lost your password or username. Contacting Credit Karma customer support. One of the most reliable ways to delete your Credit Karma account without logging in is to reach out to their customer support team. They can assist you in verifying your identity and initiating the deletion process. To contact Credit Karma customer support, you can typically find their contact information on their website or app. Look for a Contact Us or Help section. You may have the option to submit a support ticket, email them directly, or call a customer service representative. When contacting customer support, be prepared to provide as much information as possible to verify your identity. This may include your full name, email address, phone number, and any other relevant details associated with your account. Utilizing Credit Karma's privacy policy. In some cases, Credit Karma's privacy policy may outline a procedure for requesting the deletion of your account. While this method may not always be straightforward, it's worth exploring as an alternative. To find Credit Karma's privacy policy, visit their website and look for a link labeled Privacy Policy or something similar. Once you've located the policy, carefully read through it to see if there are any instructions regarding account deletion. If the privacy policy mentions a process for requesting account deletion, follow the outlined steps. This may involve submitting a written request or using a specific online form. Additional tips. When contacting Credit Karma customer support or following the instructions in their privacy policy, be patient and persistent. It may take some time to complete the deletion process. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Credit Karma again. They should be able to provide further assistance. Once your account has been deleted, you may want to consider taking additional steps to protect your privacy. This could include reviewing your credit report for any suspicious activity and updating your contact information with other financial institutions. Deleting your Credit Karma account without logging in may require some effort, but it's certainly possible. By following the methods outlined in this video, you can successfully remove your account and regain control of your digital privacy. Remember, if you encounter any obstacles or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Credit Karma customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.